Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm unboxing Ipsy for October. Hopefully it's spooky. Let us see. Oh, there's something in the bottom of the bag. And it is Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. So, am I out of night cream? I may be out of. So look at this big huge box. That's why I didn't fit in the bag. And then look at the, like, this is teeny compared to the box it came in. Yeah, that's ridiculous. I really hate when brands do that. I know they could have just thrown this in the bag. Oh, it looks super full though, actually. The cream inside looks super full. Sometimes you get these samples in like hollowed out bottoms so that you're really just getting like a teeny amount. I just don't understand. I feel like it's kind of fooling the consumer kind of attitude. I know sometimes packaging is to keep things from getting damaged, but yeah. Okay, and then here's the bag. Ooh, here is the bag. It's all these little vampy lips, and then it's got a green zipper with a green lipstick. Is that a green lipstick? Yes. Green lipstick zipper pull. That is a cool bag. That is awesome. Okay, so you do get, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It's about $12 a month, and you get sample size products. So the Murad, the size doesn't bother me, just the fake out packaging is what bothered me. Pretty Wicked Fangs Out lipstick on. Here's all the stuff inside, and we're gonna dig in and take a look. Okay, so the next thing we have is is it Basie Beauty? This is, I think it's a teeny little palette. Oh, that's cute. It's a teeny little palette. It's lots of shimmers and one matte here. So it's like a kind of an easy on the go, like maybe travel. Hot Cocoa Bomb, it's called. So that's cool. I like those. I like little palettes to travel with. The next thing in here is Uoma Beauty Batter Boom Volumizing Mascara. Oh, I do want to try this. I do want to try this. So that's cool. What else is in here? I'm going to look on the thing. Natural Volumizing Mascara. So I always like these because they last for a little bit, and then you can toss them and pretty much by the time they're empty, so that they don't actually, you know, expire. So I kind of like those size. Mindful Bubble Cleanse Extra Clean by Chasin' Rabbits. So it's just a cleanser. It's always good to have these little cleansers. They're good, really good for travel. And then the very last thing is Tasty Lips Moisturizing Balm in Mojito. And I love lip balm. I wear lip balm all day. And I put it on before I go to bed. So it's just this tiny, or just this little stick here. Mint. Oh yeah. Smells minty and limey. Cool. So that is everything in this month's Ipsy. Let me know if you have any questions below, or if you get Ipsy, or if you got different stuff, that kind of thing. And as always, thanks for watching.